This is crazy, guys. I just got the Galaxy skin in Fortnite 100% free using this awesome new glitch website. It's super easy to do and it literally takes like 5 minutes. I just did it and as you can see, I have it here now. Yeah, season 6, the maintenance is about to go on, everything's legit. So in this video, gonna show you exactly how to do it. And yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so what we're going to want to do is get on our mobile device. It can be iOS or Android, but this has to be done on a mobile device. And you want to go to fnskinunlock.com. That's fnskinunlock.com. Alright, and once we're on the website, we got to enter our Epic Games username. So I'll do that now. Then choose your mobile device. So I'm on iOS, and then I want to get the Galaxy skin only this time, so I'll put no for the other ones. Alrighty, so as you can see, we have yes for Galaxy skin, and we can go ahead and tap unlock skins. And that's just going to generate our skins. Okay. And alright, looks like we've been selected to do human verification. This is random, but it's extremely easy to do. So tick the box and it will load this other site. And basically what we gotta do is download and run all 3 of these apps for 30 to 50 seconds. So I'll download this one, go to App Store, open an App Store, and then we'll download it. Now you don't have to pay any money for this. The apps will have some sort of subscription, but I'll show you can skip it. You can just click the X and then swipe through here, use free of ads, and now we don't have to pay anything. So for the VPNs, what you want to do is connect. So then allow and add the profile to your settings. Then allow the VPN to connect and let it run for like 15 seconds or so to make sure the app has been open for at least 30 seconds or it won't work and you'll have to start the process over again. So we should be good just about now, so I'll disconnect. And then once it's disconnected, we can close out of it, go back to our web browser and download the next app. So this one is another VPN proxy, much the same as that one we just did, very easy to do. So open an App Store, we'll download it. Alright, it's downloading. And then we'll open it. And yeah, same thing, tap the X, swipe through here, use free of ads, and we can install the profile. Allow, just enter your passcode and then it'll connect. Okay, we're connected. We'll wait a few seconds and we're good to disconnect from this one. Okay. Now I'm going to download the 3rd app and do the same exact thing I've done for these 2, but I'll just do that off camera since it's going to bore you guys. But basically what you want to do is go back here, then go back to this screen and download the 3rd app, do the exact same thing, you know, run it for 30 to 50 seconds and then wait a few minutes and open up Fortnite to check your skins. So now I'm going to do that and then I will get back to you when I'm on Fortnite and I'll see if I got the skin. Alright, see you then. Alright guys, now I'm on Fortnite, so I'm going to come over to my locker and then click on my skins. And there it is, as you can see, we have the Galaxy skin. Wow, that was really quick. That only took like 3 minutes. Let's save. Wow, awesome. Alright guys, well there you have it, how to get the Galaxy skin 100% free in Fortnite on Season 6. Hope you enjoyed and make sure to comment what skin you chose to get. Alright guys, now I'm on Fortnite, so I'm going to come over to my locker.